Good morning.
Good morning, sir. I'm Shirley Dancel, 28 years old, married. I have 2 kids. I'm high school graduate. I work in Kuwait as a domestic helper for 2 years and 1 month.
Okay. And when did you go to Kuwait?
I go in Kuwait in July 28, 2014. I go back here in Philippines on July 29, 2016.
And how many family members they have?
There are 9 members in family. My madam and myself, and they have 7 children.
And the age of the children are?
35 years old, 33, 28, 23, 20, 18 years old, and the child is 6 years old.
Okay, the 6 years old is the granddaughter or grandson?
Granddaughter.
Granddaughter, okay. And can you tell me your duties?
My duties in Kuwait is cleaning and cooking.
Cleaning the house only and cooking?
Yes, sir.
Okay, they have 9 members of the family. So how many dishes you prepare for them?
3 dishes.
3 dishes.
Yes.
Okay. And you said that you have 1 son and 1 daughter, right?
Yes, sir.
How old are they?
My daughter is 9 years old and my son is 6 years old.
And who will take care of your children when you work in Hong Kong?
My mother will take care of my children if I work in Hong Kong.
Okay. And why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong to earn money for the future of my children.
Are you willing to take care of newborn baby?
Yes, sir.
And how about taking care of dogs and cats?
Sorry, sir, because I'm afraid.
You're afraid? Okay.
Yes.
And can you sing one children's song?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Very good. And what is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please select me. I promise to do all my responsibilities as your housemaid.
Thank you very much, Miss Shirley Dancel, and I hope to see you in Hong Kong.
Thank you, sir. Bye-bye.